So you're thinking of starting your own cleaning business. That is awesome. Congratulations. That is a huge step. But before we start, there's a few things you must know to get you organized and get you planned well so you can have a very successful business. In this video, we're going to talk about those steps. So let's get started. First step is going to be analyze your market. Look at where there is opportunity. See what hasn't been touched, the commercial side or the residential side. Stay on the side where there's less competitors, and it's going to give you an advantage to be able to grow your company a lot faster. Identify your target audience. Are you going to be serving residential or commercial clients? You could do both. For residential clients, this could be business owners, doctors, lawyers. For commercial, it can be banks, schools. Identify what that customer does, what they do, and this is going to help you be able to set the expectations that is required so that you can serve them best. For my business, we love to target people that have a family. Families that are busy, we love to save them time. Study your competitors. See what they're doing right and what they're doing wrong. This is going to give you such a wide understanding of what you should be doing for your business. One thing that I did with pricing was I called 50 plus competitors in my area and I asked for pricing. I saw what they were pricing for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and that gave me an understanding of where I can be competitive. Another thing that you can do is go to Google, go to Yelp where people are leaving reviews and look at the bad reviews. The bad reviews are going to tell you what they're doing wrong, and you do the opposite, and that's going to give you such a great advantage. Next is develop a solid business plan. Set clear goals that you want to accomplish that year. It can feel a little bit overwhelming thinking for a whole year what type of goals I want to do. Something that has helped me to just keep it simple is I do 2 months to 3 months at a time. This gives me quarterly goals to be able to plan with my team and see the revenue where we want to be, how many customers, how big I want to grow my company, and are we going to make any changes when it comes to equipment. Also, you can get deeper and go into advertising, marketing. If you're going to make any changes with uniforms, plan those things ahead. Don't get overwhelmed by trying to plan the whole year because it will change. The market will change. So if you do quarterly, that will keep you ahead and it will keep you on track and help you meet those goals so that you could then plan out for the rest of the year. In this business plan, outline the specific services and pricing. What type of services are you going to offer? Are you going to focus on one-time cleanings, reoccurring cleanings, move-ins and move-outs? Outline what's going to be required for each one. Also include your additional services on there. For us, inside windows, blinds, baseboards, wiping down doors, those are additional services for us. So outline that pricing in detail so that when you do get on the phone, there is clear expectations of what the pricing will be, and it would just make your life a lot easier. Next, create financial projections. See what type of revenue you would like to make at the end of the year. Have fun with this part. Don't stress yourself out and try to already beat your competitors that have been in business for a long time. Before you start operating, make sure you handle the legal and administration setup. Register your business appropriately in those specific areas where you need to be to start your business. That can be with your city license, the LLC, any permits that you might need. And don't forget to get insured. It's very crucial for you to protect your business and also protect your clients. And the chances are they're going to move forward with you versus a company that is not insured. Next, investing in quality supplies and equipment is going to make your job so much easier and so much better. Like they say, cheaper will cost less, but then it will cost you more in the future. So if in the beginning you start investing in your business and buying good equipment and good supplies, it's going to help you in the long term, especially with your team. When they see what you use, they're going to feel more professional when they're using it. And try to stock up for a month or two so you can be ahead and you can spend less time buying supplies and more time cleaning houses or offices. Consider eco-friendly options to appeal to environmentally conscious clients. This is going to differentiate your business from many businesses. And one thing is, don't charge additional because you're an eco-friendly company. Just keep it in your price, keep it straightforward, and they're going to love you for it. And it can be for their pets, for their home, for their babies, everybody in the home. Create a marketing strategy to attract new customers. This would be building an online presence like a website and social media platforms. When you build a website, make sure it's personable. Have your customers connect with your team, connect with your services, connect with your company. We buy based on how people make us feel. And if that service provider makes them feel like they are safe and they can trust you, the chances are they're going to choose you. Set up a referral program where your customers can help bring new business to you. Have the opportunity for them to put names, phone numbers, referrals that they want to give to you. While you're on the phone and you provided them an amazing service, ask for those referrals. You'd be amazed how much people want to help small businesses grow. So leverage social media to reach to potential clients through your content. This content could be some before and afters, the mission, the vision, the values about your company. Don't just set some stock photos and just start putting some random stuff about cleaning, because everybody is doing that. So be different, be unique, show your company through your social media, and the chances are is that people are going to connect with that and they're going to go with that first. And now for some gold nuggets. Network with local businesses to build relationships. You'll be amazed how many networking events I have gone to, and I am the only cleaning company there. I am just swimming in blue ocean where all of these businesses I have the opportunity to serve. Now, business owners have homes, and if that's your target audience, that's the best place for you to be. Start small and scale gradually. Don't get too ahead of yourself on creating the business plan, trying to offer all of these services. If you start small and you keep it simple, you will be able to get that experience and be able to grow gradually with your customers. Always focus on customer satisfaction. Happy customers will become repeat customers. And the name of the game for service businesses is reoccurring income. So focus on making sure you are giving that customer satisfaction from start to finish. Don't start your cleaning business until you cover these bases. And if you already started a cleaning business, go down that list and make sure you are doing those things as well if you're not doing them now. If you're ready to dive deeper, check this next video where I talk about how to work less and earn more in your cleaning business. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so that you can know when I drop that next video. I'll see you on the next one.